In this video, I'm going to go over the basic operations of a John Deere 2305 compact tractor. I'll often be using the term PTO, which means power takeoff, an efficient means of transferring mechanical power from the tractor to its attachments, such as a mower deck that I will demonstrate later. Now, the first thing that I want to point out is that the tractor will not start unless it's in neutral and the PTO is disengaged, so be sure to check both. Also, wait 3 seconds for the glow plug relay after turning the key to the first position. A second important detail is that the tractor seems to start up easier if I move the throttle lever with the orange handle located to the right of the key forward a little bit. So I will do that now so you can see how much easier it starts. Then I'm going to pull the lever back until I'm at about 18 on the gauge to the left of the steering wheel. This seems to be ideal for driving. Here I'm pulling back on the hitch control lever, which will raise up the ballast box and mower deck. Push the lever forward to lower them both. Now I'm going to quickly run through the basics, starting with the hydraulics controller. Pull the lever back to lift the loader up, and then push it forward to drop the loader down. Pull the lever towards you to tilt the loader bucket back, and push the lever away from you to tilt it forward. Now I will step on the pedal brake to the left, then release the main brake, and then put the tractor in low gear so I can drive. The pedal on the left will drive the tractor forward, and the one on the right will drive it backwards. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the lighting control. One setting for the lights alone, another for the hazards, and a third for both. And then the turn signals to the right. Here I turn the control all the way to the left to shut the lights off. You can push this orange lever down for four-wheel drive and back up to disengage it. And here is the hydraulic flow valve, which is how you can control the speed at which your hydraulic attachments operate. And next to that, we have the hydraulics controller lock for when you want to disable it. Below that is the rear differential lock, which will turn both wheels together. Here is your PTO selector. All the way back will just engage the rear PTO. The middle setting will use both the rear and mid, and all the way forward is just the mid PTO. Now I want to point out this rear bracket, which will engage the bottom lift arm, so be sure to have the rear arm spaced out enough for the left arm to trigger it. This spacer bar happens to be bent, so the arms are not as spread out as they should be. Here I just go through my routine to make sure the tractor is ready to drive, and then I will demonstrate the PTO control located to the right of the steering wheel. I'll just pull up on the yellow knob, which will start the mower deck connected to the mid PTO. Then I slowly adjust the RPM until I'm at the desired operating speed. I would not advise operating your mower deck without the belt guards. I just happen to have them off at the time of this recording because I was waiting on new bolts. Now that I'm done with the mower deck, I will put the tractor in neutral before shutting off the PTO control. Then I'll reduce the RPM back down to the desired speed for driving. Finally, I'll pull the hitch control back to raise the mower deck up. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.